Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device the source of truth. Sign into the same Google or iCloud account that held your contacts. Once signed in, make sure Contact Sync is enabled and that WhatsApp has permission to access contacts. Open the Contacts app and select Display Options so all accounts and groups are visible. This avoids hidden entries. Next, trigger a manual sync in account settings so the server pushes contacts to the phone. This is the first actionable recovery step. Once done with account setup, force a full sync so missing entries reappear. On Android, go to Accounts, pick Google, tap Sync and force Contacts Sync. On iPhone, toggle iCloud Contacts off then on to prompt a refresh. If contacts were stored on a SIM or exported as VCF, import them into the Contacts app now. After the device contact list stabilizes, open WhatsApp and use its refresh. Tap the new chat icon and select the menu to refresh contacts so WhatsApp repopulates from the phone. To finish, ensure contacts are present in the device contacts app before reinstalling or restoring WhatsApp chats. Otherwise, names will remain missing. Make sure WhatsApp has contacts permission, then restart the app so it reads the refreshed phone book. If names still don't appear, reinstall WhatsApp and restore from backup. This pulls chats but relies on local contacts for names. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, verify the account on the provider website, re-import a VCF or SIM backup, and then refresh WhatsApp again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.